So the iPhone 17 Pro has been great so far for a couple of days, but I want to talk about iPhone accessories, mainly the screen protector and the case, because I don't trust myself in holding the iPhone without any case at all. I might drop it. Anyways, so in this video, we're going to be testing out or reviewing the 𝚆𝚎𝚕𝚌𝚘 screen protector, tempered glass screen protector. I think this is the 𝚆𝚎𝚘𝚘 2, which is for 17 Pro. And I didn't really intended to buy the case for it, but apparently they have a 𝚆𝚎𝚘𝚘 case that comes with it. So why not test both out and stuff? So let's open this up and let's see if this actually is legit, especially with how easy it is. It basically says it's dump-proof, and you don't even need a lot of special activity or skill to actually put this on here, as well as dust-proof and all that stuff. So we'll see. Also, hopefully, because they claim, 𝚆𝚎𝚘𝚘 claims that their screen protector is very sturdy and very strong, very hard and all that. So let's put this up. Do they have any? Okay, so these are the stuff that comes with it, which is the manual right here. We also have the scraper, the bubble scraper, which is in plastic, and it's interesting color. It's in I don't know, like forgot the you get the color. Then we got the installation kit. We got two of them because the screen protector comes in a pair, so they have two of them, so obviously you get one each. So we're gonna put that there, and put this out of the way. Okay, so there we go. Open your camera, scan me to watch the installation video. Okay, we're not gonna do that right now. Luckily, much appreciated, they also have the graphic manual instructions here. So begin by cleaning the screen with a wet wipe. I thought we don't need it, but okay. And then we are gonna open this one up. Okay, so yeah. So this accessory includes wet wipe, microfiber cloth, and dust removal sticker. I thought you didn't need that, especially on their ads and stuff, but that's fine. Let's see. So we got the microfiber cloth, wet wipe, and the dust removal sticker. So clean it with the wet wipe. Right after, just put on the application tray on the phone. That's pretty easy, in my opinion. Just put it in. It's very interesting. There you go. Very snug. I got my iPhone 17 right here, and basically, actually, yes. So you pull this plastic cover away. Okay. That was pretty quick. That was pretty easy. And then it says, press and swipe with your finger. Okay, swipe, press, swipe. 3 times 3 is the charm. And then it says press the, so press this one. So you're gonna press this. Press both sides of the tray. Okay. Press both sides of the tray. Tear off the sticker while pressing both sides of the tray of the application tray. Okay, so you want to tear this out while pressing both. Okay. There you go. That was pretty easy. And it says, okay, remove the application tray from the bottom. Okay, just wait. I can actually see, yeah, it's slowly, like the cover right here, the plastic cover is slowly like sticking to that side. Okay, then take it off. Now, why is there bubbles there? Well, obviously that's not the actual screen protector, it's the cover. Okay, then finally, remove the application from the tray at the bottom, lift the application tray from the bottom of the phone. Okay, remove the final film and finish installation. Okay, so moment of truth. There is okay, why is that? You can see some bubbles right here, at least from the the cover, and then we are going to peel this off. I can still see a little bit of like here, but I'm not sure if that's just like the lighting stuff. Now I can see it here. So I guess that is why we still have this. It didn't say actually anything, but we're gonna do that. But that was pretty easy, and you didn't even have to line up and all that. I wonder how can I get rid of this bubble? I don't want no bubble. That's the reason why I got this 𝚆𝚎𝚘𝚘 screen protector. Okay, almost done. Just a little more bubble. I got my OCD here. Okay, all gone, I think. Okay, there's some here at the edge. I mean, that was 90% pretty good already. I guess, you can't get 100%, but that was pretty easy. Okay, I still have some small bubbles right here. Mind you, this is the first time I've tried this 𝚆𝚎𝚘𝚘 applicator, but that was really, really easy. So I'm impressed in that. At least, applying it and stuff, that was not so complicated. I used to have some before, and you really had to line it up, make sure you don't mess it up and all that. This one is pretty good. Now, I'm just gonna make sure there are no more bubbles left. Though I can still see, I'm not sure if I am or it's just a placebo. that I just want to cherry pick. Okay, all gone. That was pretty quick. And then, as you can see, so this is tempered glass, by the way, so it's not plastic. So there is a visible thickness to it, but it does feel a lot smoother, which is really good. And it says that this is for privacy as well. It's scratch resistant, obviously. So, quick question. Do you think I'm gonna use an axe like on the ad to like try to smash it and make sure it's legit or not? Definitely not. I'm not gonna do that on my phone. But what I'm gonna do is see if it's scratch resistant and stuff, which so far it is. I mean, it does feel pretty good. It does say drop resistant. I'm not so sure about that. I mean, that's why we have a case. Easy installation for sure. Scratch resistant? I think so, yes. Which is, I really like it. Pretty good, to be honest with you. Now, this also, if I'm not mistaken, has a privacy. It's a privacy screen protector. So, like, in angle-wise. So yes, I can't see it from the side. Can you guys see? Okay, look at the whole overhead camera. So from there, the side, it looks off. But the angle though, I'm not sure. It's pretty, yeah, it's actually pretty good, in my opinion. Awesome. Did it change any of the thing? At least, like, sometimes some of the privacy screen protector lowers the quality of the screen and stuff. But I don't think so, or not so much. Maybe a little bit if you really have to cherry pick, but whatever. Now let's open this Magic John case and see if it's worth any of your hard-earned dollars. It's a bit of an effort to actually take this off. Packaging is pretty simple and it's not too cheap, which is good. So inside we have this instruction manual before taking photos. Open the lens stand. Open the lens stand, otherwise it will affect clarity. Really? Okay, before taking, okay, well, I guess it has the stand here, right here and stuff. Okay, we only have one of this, and that's it. This and the instruction manual. It has a QR code at the back. That's it. Okay, so let's open this. I specifically got the clear one because at least, while testing this one, I can see the color. Because most of the time, I have my phone and with a dark case, and you don't really, so it's like, it doesn't really matter what color you're gonna buy on the phone, you're not gonna see it. So this time, I got the clear case on this. Oh wow, this is like bulky, but I guess it's for good. It's a good thing. Let's put this in. Now, obviously this is hard plastic, it's not glass, so don't expect it to be glass. It's a case. It's for dropping and stuff, or at least to make sure you don't drop it off. Okay, so here's how it looks like on the side, and from the top, and then here on the side. So what I can see, it's actually on the side. So the camera actually has a protector. It's like a window or something. How do you open this, by the way? Oh, there is a latch right here at the lower left corner where you can open. So you open and then, wait, do you open all the way? Yes, you do open all the way. This is interesting. This is the first time I've seen like, like this. Now, I guess you're gonna have to clean it quite frequently for the dust to accumulate and all that, but this is pretty good. When you close it, oh, it's magnetic too, or it's just a latch. Ah, interesting. Okay, so now it looks like, yeah, your cameras are covered, your sensors are covered, and the phone is covered. Now, oh, wait. Yeah, it does feel like it is. The material is about absorbing the impact when you drop this off and stuff. So that's how it looks like. Now, it does say you can have it stand. Okay, so I guess, yeah, that's the one where you can have it stand like this. So you can watch, and then with an angle, how strong is it all the way? Like, I'm wondering. Actually, it is pretty strong. Yeah, it will hold up to it. Pretty good. Okay, yes, there is a magnet here that closes it. Wow, okay, what about the buttons? So buttons work. Now, interesting. So there is kind of like a metal thing here. Because yeah, I was worried that you might not be able to like scroll here for the photo mode button, where the aperture you can scroll down and up and down. But that's good. The buttons, it's pretty, yeah, it works properly. I've had issues before with other cases, and the buttons were like really funky and all that. So this one, it's pretty good, I think. Yeah, it just, with this one, it looks like it has a snorkel or goggles for your camera and stuff, but overall so far, it's it's pretty good. I can't complain. Now, I'm gonna be testing this off. You know, I'm gonna be going to Spain and stuff, vacation. So we're gonna see how well this case and the screen protector protects my phone if I ever drop it off and stuff. All right, that's it for this video. It's pretty much a short video. I wanted to check the screen protector and the case for Magic John 2. Don't forget to smash the like button, and if you haven't yet, consider subscribing to the channel. We're gonna have full reviews for the iPhone 17 and the AirPods Pro and stuff, so I will see you there.